Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Storm force winds pounded southern Queensland beaches today in ways rarely seen through midwinter. Thankfully, the rain's beginning to subside, but strong winds and heavy swells could last well into the weekend. The South Burnett had the lion's share of rain overnight with 82 mils at Kingaroy. Chinchilla had 67 mils, Miles 54, 30 mils at Dalby, and Highfields picked up 34. The stiff breeze and lack of sun had some impact on today's temperatures, barely reaching the high teens. In Toowoomba, the range was 9 to 17 degrees. On the satellite loop, you can see all the rain cloud is now starting to contract into the southeast as expected. It's basically cleared the Capricorn and Central Coast. It's bright and sunny across the north, and in the southeast, of course, it's still very wet and windy, but the upper level low is rotating southwards. Tomorrow, it's going to basically contract to near the border ranges, and then by Sunday, it will be all gone. Today's chart, you can see how the low has moved further south and continued to intensify. We've had winds above 100 k's an hour both at Double Island Point and Cape Morton. Even overnight, Toowoomba had that 78 kilometres an hour, and we've had waves consistently up to 6 metres off Fraser Beaches. Now on tomorrow's chart, the low moves away from the coast finally. There'll still be a huge surf left over, and gales will start to contract south. The north will be beautiful by this stage. On the outlook chart, finally on Sunday, the whole state gets a good day. Bit of wave action left over, still breezy in the southeast, but basically a very nice Sunday. Now the Darling Downs and Granite Belt forecast. We got some early fog and then a mostly sunny day. Dalby reaching 20 degrees, Goondiwindi 21, 17 for Toowoomba, Warwick 8 up to 18. For the southeast coast, the hazardous surf warning continues with flood warning for the Mary as well. Showers mainly around the Gold Coast, 21 the top for Gatton, Ipswich and Brisbane also 21. Looking ahead for Toowoomba, much nicer weather next week, mostly sunny with a few passing clouds. No rain and certainly less wind. Temperatures fairly steady, mostly in the high teens. For Warwick, much the same trend. We've got 7 days of pretty nice weather. It will get cold at night, especially later next week. For Dalby as well, we've got top temperatures typically in the low 20s, but it will cool down again from Wednesday onwards. There is no rain forecast in the next 7 days. And that's a wrap for this week, my friends. It's been an interesting one to say the least. Next week's weather looks a lot more subdued, giving us a chance to enjoy the great Aussie outdoors without fear of getting rained on or blown over. See you Monday. Now it's back to the team.
Yeah, good on you, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. Have a wonderful weekend. See you back Monday night. And also just a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7plus app, or you can catch up on our page 7news.com.au. And from all of us here, good night. Good night.